Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you the updated way to cancel an order on the DHgate app, even if there's no direct cancel button. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the DHgate app and log into your account. Step 2. At the bottom of the screen, tap Account to open your personal dashboard. Step 3. Scroll down and select Contact Us. Step 4. Choose Order-Related Problems or Report Issue. This will help you start the cancellation process. Step 5. Tap Online Service to open a live chat with DHgate support. Step 6. In the chat, report the product you want to cancel. Provide your order number and request cancellation directly. Bonus tip. Be polite and clear when chatting with support. If your order hasn't been shipped yet, they can often cancel it faster through chat. And that's how you cancel an order on DHgate the updated way. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!